Today I am going to share you important topic, that is the daily activities of testing engineer. So which I am providing the information. It's a general view of daily activities of automation testing engineer or testing engineer. And also you have to remember one more important point, friends. This daily activity may change based on the experience. So junior level test engineer have some other daily activities. It is different. And senior level based automation test engineer or test engineer have different daily activities. So there is some difference is there for a junior level and a senior level. So I will tell those things as well. Okay. So without wasting our time, let us start main topic. What are the daily activities of any test automation engineer in software companies? Okay, these activities may vary company to company or organization to organization or project to project. Okay, first let us talk about what are the daily activities of junior level test engineer. So, as a junior level test engineer, after arriving to the office, they first check the emails for any updates. Okay, so only three things they will do, guys, as a junior level test engineer. Whenever they check any email update, so if they receive any test activities, okay, or test plans or test design, so they used to write test cases based on the test design. Okay, so only the first primary skills are responsibility for junior level test engineer to write the test cases. It might be manual or automation. Okay, so depends on their role. Okay, after writing test cases, they review the test cases by their senior members or team lead or someone, guys. So after reviewed your test cases, you have to execute those test cases. If you find any bugs, you have to submit those report or bugs to your team lead, or you have to forward their bugs to the development team. Okay, so this is the exact the process for junior level test engineer. Only three steps you are following, guys, as a junior level test engineer. You have to first understand the requirement based on the test design, whatever the document, whatever the test case they are providing. After that, you have to write test cases, and you have to execute those test cases, and if you find any bugs, you have to submit those bugs to the associate team or development team. Okay, by attending the meetings, you can understand the specific requirements. Based on the requirement or information, how to create a test plan outline, the testing approach, the testing objectives, and the test cases and the test design requirements. You have to make properly a test plan. And second one is test case design. So based on the information, so based on the requirement, you have to create test cases design as well, and you have to create detailed step by step instructions to validate different features and functionalities. And third one is you have to create test cases, and then after creating test cases, you have to execute your test cases. You can execute test cases either manually or using automated testing tools to verify the software behavior. After that, you have to record the test results, reports, report defects or issues, and communicate with developers or other team members to address any problems. Then you have to follow some defect tracking tool as well. So whatever the bugs or defects are raised, you have to follow those tracks as well. So you have to report issues, assign priorities, and work with developers to ensure timely resolution of identified problems. And next one is you have to do regression testing as well. As a testing engineer, you have to perform regression testing to ensure that the changes or new features do not introduce new bugs or impact existing functionalities. The written test cases that cover critical areas of the software. And next one is test automation. Test engineers automate repetitive or time consuming test cases using appropriate testing framework or tool. So you have to write and maintain test scripts and execute and automated test and analyzing the result. Finally, documentation part. You have to document test procedures, test results, and any issues or observations encountered during testing. So this documentation helps in knowledge sharing, future reference, and the compliance purpose. So along with these daily activities, you have to attend the meetings. It might be morning session or evening session. We can call those meetings like stand-up meeting or scrum meeting. It depends on the company and the project, guys. Many companies used to take meetings like daily one or two in daily one or two meetings, guys. One more important step, guys. You should have involved in collaboration whenever you are working in software industry. So especially for test engineer, you have to collaborate with the developers and product owners and stakeholders to clarify the requirements and discuss issues and ensure effective communication throughout the testing process. One more important thing, continuous learning is also important for any candidate who are working in the software industry. You have to follow market trends and you have to stay updated with the market trends. Whatever the testing frameworks or tools are introduced and most demand in software industry, you have to learn those skills and you have to keep update your skills. Then only your career growth will be bright. Okay, so that's all, guys. Mine. I hope this session definitely helpful. What are the daily activities for automation or software testing professionals? Okay, of course, there are some differences there for junior level test engineer and senior level test engineer in the daily activities approach. Okay, so if you really love our content, don't forget to share to your friends as well, and also don't forget hit the like button. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.